Specific, definition, specific in a sentence, specific pronunciation, specific meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of specific. Specific. Spe-ci-fic. Specific. Specific as an adjective means clearly defined. Specific as a noun means a precise detail. Common usages in academic writing: specific details, specific needs, specific instructions, a specific question, a specific response. Example sentence: specific, adjective. Construction blueprints varied from town to town based on the specific needs of the local populations. The common academic writing variations are specification, noun. The bridge was built to within a few centimeters of the design specifications. And specifically, adverb. It is undebated that there are many issues facing the rainforest, but our team set out specifically to identify how the local tribes were being impacted. Please write a sentence using specific in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you know the pronunciation of specific, the meaning of specific, and specific example sentences. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.